What's good, fam? Welcome back to Native English Conversations, the podcast where we turn your English skills into straight fire. I'm Alex, your hype man steering this ship through the chaos of language. And today, I've got my ride-or-die co-host, the one and only Mia, bringing the vibes. Mia, hit 'em with a hello.
Yo, Alex! Yo, all you absolute legends out there! No cap, I'm buzzing to be here because today we're diving headfirst into the wild jungle of internet speak. Buckle up, because we're about to slay this episode.
Bet. Real talk, though. Mia, have you ever scrolled TikTok or X and felt like you're decoding a secret code? Like, I saw Riz's the other day and legit thought it was a typo for pizza. Help me out here.
Oh my gosh, Alex, I'm crying. I've been there. Last month, I saw she's giving main character energy and spent 10 minutes wondering if it's about movies or what. The internet's basically its own language now, and we're unlocking it today.
Facts on facts. If you're learning English and trying to vibe with memes, slang, and all the viral chaos, this episode's your VIP pass. We're molding you into a meme lord, fluent in internet lingo, ready to flex in every comment section. So, let's yeet right in. Mia, why's this stuff such a big deal?
Okay, Alex, here's the tea. The internet's the new cool kid hangout. Words like sus, drip, stan, they're not just random. They're a whole mood. If you're still stuck saying, that's nice, while everyone's out here slaying, you're basically a ghost in the chat.
Straight up. English went from Jane Austen to TikTok overnight. Bussin' wasn't even a word 5 years ago. And for English learners, it's a wild ride. You're juggling verbs, then someone drops "that's cap," and you're like, wait, where's the hat?
Ha! I've got one better. Early on, I thought cap meant baseball caps. Told my friend, your stories got so much cap, and he was like, what? I don't even own hats? It's a minefield out there.
Classic. But here's the payoff. Nailing this slang makes you sound fresh, plugged in, and it's a shortcut to getting memes, streams, even your fave YouTubers. Like, I finally got L means loss. Now I'm taking W's all day.
And the confidence? Unreal. Popping a sheesh or no cap at the perfect moment. You're not just speaking English, you're owning it. So, Alex, how do we go from lost to Lord level?
We're dropping the ultimate playbook, fam. But first, let's roast the traps, the newbie mistakes that keep you from speaking internet like a pro. Mia, you ready to call them out?
Born ready. Trap 1. Literal loserland. You hear it's lit and think someone's throwing a barbecue. Meanwhile, the squad's just hyped for the party.
Been there. Trap 2. Old school overdose. You're still rolling with cool beans or groovy while the world's moved to bussin' and drip. Mia, I caught my dad saying neato last week. Send help.
Oh no, that's an L. Trap 3. Scroll freeze. You're too shook to say sus or yeet, 'cause you might sound like a wannabe. Spoiler, no one's clapping back IRL. Go for it.
Trap 4. Meme drought. If you're not glued to TikTok, X, or Instagram, you're missing the slang fountain. I skipped socials for a week and thought Riz was a new app.
Trap 5. Overthink overload. You're analyzing stan like it's a math problem. Is it a verb? A noun? Chill. It's just vibes.
Trap's toasted. Now, Mia, let's drop the glow up. How do we master this internet secret sauce?
Step 1. TikTok treasure hunt. Scroll 15 minutes a day. Those POV you're late skits or dance vids. Goldmine for slay, vibes, even period. I learned bloopers from a cat fail compilation.
Dope. Step 2. Slang starter pack. Lock in 5 essentials. Cap is a lie, like he said he's rich, but that's cap. Drip is style. Check my new kicks. Pure drip. Stan is to fangirl. I stan Taylor Swift. Sus is shady. That text was sus. And bussin' is tasty. This burger's bussin'. Commit 'em to memory.
Step 3, sentence swag. Toss those words into real life. I told my barista, this latte's bussin', no cap, and she grinned. Total W practice till it's second in nature.
Step 4, meme maker madness. Snap a pic, like my dog napping, and caption it, he's got that sleepy drip. Post it on Insta, send it to your group chat. Boom, you're a creator.
Step 5, X Stock Squad. Follow meme lords or slang kings on X. Search Riz, and you'll see he's got Riz with that smile. I nabbed yeeted from a thread about throwing homework.
Step 6, cringe armor. Use it IRL. Say sheesh when your friend nails a shot, or vibes when the sun sets fire. I tried based at work. That idea's based. And my boss just nodded.
6 moves to meme lord status. Start easy, stack those skills, and you'll be dropping W's like a pro.
Mind officially yeeted. Let's test this right now. Mia, hit me with a scenario and I'll slang it up.
All right, your pizza arrives. It's amazing. Driver's cool. Go.
Yo, this pizza's bussin', no cap. Delivery guy's got mad drip. Total stan moment. Sheesh, what a W.
Slay, Alex. Okay, my turn. You spill coffee on your shirt before a meeting.
Oh, that's sus timing. Coffee yeeted itself on me. Vibes cap now. Big L, but I'm still drippin'.
Fire, C-fam. It's a vibe once you get rolling. Alex, how do we lock this in daily?
Daily move 1, slang sneak attack. Slip one word into every convo, like, Mom, this soup's bussin'. My sister tried sus on our cat. He's plotting something.
Move 2, caption craze. Post a story with flair. Snap my lunch, wrote, this salad's giving vibes, no cap. My followers ate it up.
Move 3, meme mic drop. Record yourself with a viral line, he's got Riz for days, and replay. I did yeet and sounded like a hype beast.
Move 4, scroll and snag. Watch a trending vid, steal a gem, like period from a rant. I tested it with my roommate. Dishes are done, period. She cracked up.
Move 5, slang scrapbook. Jot one new word daily. W for win, like nailed that test. L for loss, forgot my lines. I wrote Riz after charming the cashier.
Move 6, chat challenge. Text your crew only in slang for an hour. Yo, you sus, where's my fries? My friend replied, chill, they bussin' soon.
Straight heat. Daily habits to keep you slaying. But Mia, what about the rough patches? How do we stay lit when it flops?
Rough patch 1, meaning meltdown. You think stan means standing up? I did too. Rewatch a vid, like I stan this artist, and catch the obsession vibe.
Rough patch 2, trend tornado, slang flips fast, lit became bussin' in a blink. I said lit last week and my niece ratioed me. Uncle, that's cap. Stay scrolling.
Rough patch 3, cringe collapse. You say yeet, and the room goes quiet. I tried based at a party. Total silence. Laugh it off. Guess I yeeted that one. And keep going.
Rough patch 4, overuse oops. You sus everything. This weather's sus, my dog's sus. Dial it back. Save it for the right flex.
Truth, it's a grind. Scroll, try, flop, repeat. But every L's a step to a W.
Big facts. Mia, we've just armed our native English conversation squad with the ultimate meme lord toolkit.
Massive W. So, fam, what's your first slang play? Sus in the wild, drip on your fit. Hit the comments. We're standing your glow up.
Smash that like, yeet this episode to your crew, and subscribe to Native English Conversations for more fire drops. Keep slaying the internet. You're the main character now.
Catch you next time. Stay bussin', stay based, and keep that English vibe popping. Peace out.